In the ever-accelerating realm of camera technology, we've got some interesting news on the Sony a7CR. An evolution of the esteemed Sony a7C, this successor will elevate the art of photography to unprecedented heights, directing in a new era of cutting-edge features and visionary capabilities, as the specs are really promising. So what are the upgrades, and when can we expect to see Sony a7CR? Let's find out. At the heart of the Sony a7CR will reside a 61-megapixel full-frame Exmor-R BSI CMOS sensor, balanced to revolutionize image capture. This remarkable sensor will redefine image quality, promising to render every scene with unparalleled precision and clarity. From intricate macro shots to sweeping landscapes, each detail will be captured in stunning fidelity. The sensor's backside illuminated or BSI architecture will also excel in low-light conditions, illuminating even the dimmest moments with brilliance. Fueling this will be the Bion's XR and AI processing unit, a combination of processing prowess and artificial intelligence. With this innovation, the a7CR will feature an AI-based real-time tracking autofocus system, effectively endowing the camera with a sixth sense. It will seamlessly track subjects in real time, ensuring that every frame remains sharp and perfectly composed. This advancement will empower creators to focus solely on their artistic visions, secure in the knowledge that the camera is dynamically managing technical complexities. Now on the sensor side, the a7CR will feature an 8K sensor, capturing life's moments in breathtaking detail. It will showcase 8K at both 24 FPS and 30 FPS, elevating visual narratives to cinematic levels of immersion. But the camera's ambitions will not cease there. Through an upcoming firmware update, the a7CR will attain the remarkable capability of 8K at 60 frames per second, as per the rumors. This enhancement will surely redefine the fluidity of motion, allowing creators to express their narratives with unprecedented dynamics. For those who seek to craft their stories in post-production, the a7CR will offer a lot of possibilities. With 4K 16-bit raw output and compatibility with S-Log3 and S-Cinetone, the camera will provide creators with extensive freedom for artistic expression. It will empower you to infuse their narratives with nuanced hues and masterful tonality. The a7CR's user experience will also be precisely engineered. Its 3.2-inch 4-axis multi-angle touchscreen LCD will redefine interaction, allowing creators to compose shots from various angles intuitively. Complemented by the 8-stop 5-axis image stabilization, the camera will ensure images remain steady and fluid, even in the most challenging environments. Moreover, the a7CR will embrace the future of storage and adaptability with dual CF Express Type A SD card slots. These dual slots will cater to various storage needs, ensuring creators never miss an instant due to space constraints. All these specs really make us wonder how grand the Sony a7CR will stand as an emblem of ingenuity, poised to reshape the very essence of visual storytelling. Its fusion of pioneering technology, AI-infused capabilities, and a commitment to empowering creators will herald a new era in photography and videography. As of now, the price is yet to be disclosed, but assuming it's a huge upgrade over the predecessor, the price will be premium, and it'll arrive on the 29th of August, 2023, if everything goes right. So what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.